So Paul, can you tell us a little bit more about Budgeting Solutions and how the company actually came together?
So we started back in 2005. We were basically a bunch of consultants who thought we could deliver better solutions rather than focusing on selling software, selling solutions using the right type of software. We're a team, we're based in Nottingham, that's where the HQ is. We have a London office and typically we work sort of nationally. We've done the odd European project, but mostly we work across the UK.
Yep.
Would you say that there are specific sectors that your customers fit into and that you specialise in, or do you cover a wide range?
Good question. I mean, it's quite wide ranging. I mean, we started out early on working mostly with just finance departments, but increasingly we work with IT and finance departments to help effect change. And whilst we work with finance and around budgeting and forecasting, we're also trying to develop the concept of integrated or enterprise-wide business planning. So trying to bring together a whole company-wide business plan so it's not owned by finance. So yes, we work across many sectors, but across the organisation too.
And I suppose in that same question, what are the technology verticals? Because obviously you've mentioned sort of the business, the planning piece, but I mean, do you get involved in sort of data and sort of the other parts that sort of feed into that budgeting decision?
Very much so. I mean, I guess some custom examples would probably work well, because I mean, there are some sectors we have more experience in than others. So if you take transportation, we work with a bus company and we were able to give them some revenue data by fare type and by route. But by bringing in the wider, smarter data, potentially analytics, using smart card data, we could look at route intersections, network profitability. So take smart card data and use things like heat maps to understand network interchanges to help them actually plan and optimise routes better. So absolutely, we take that finance data and we try and extend out into analytics and big data and bring those consequences or concepts to bear to help organisations.
Fantastic. So I mean, what are the key advantages of working with Budgeting Solutions then?
I think we have a unique experience. We understand finance and we understand big data. And I think it's rare to have those two skill sets together. So quite often people are focused on the technology decisions around what do I build my data warehouse in, whereas we're much more concerned with how can we derive business value, how can we help organisations become more successful, more profitable.
Perfect. Awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Cheers.